Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys probably read from the description, this is going to be the My Husband Does My Voiceover Challenge.
Her husband does the voiceover challenge.
So in this video, he is going to be guiding you guys step by step, product by product, what I'll be using to do my makeup.
Yeah.
He will get no help from me. Like, this is all him. I'm not going to tell him anything.
So yeah, basically, guys, I'm gonna be coming to you guys just giving you a one-on-one breakdown of the different layers that she uses and how she beats the eyebrows and all that on fleek.
Okay.
Yeah.
You sound real confident. So I hope you're ready. You ready?
Are you ready? Are they ready? Are y'all ready?
I think they're ready.
They ready?
They ready.
Man, let's turn it on. Let's go.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully we'll come back to you guys with more videos, more collaborations, all of that good stuff. Alright guys, let's jump into the video.
So guys, right here what we have is Origins Original Skin. This is a matte moisturizer. What you do with it, you can actually use it as she applied it to her face. It's good for turkey sandwiches, ham sandwiches, as well as the spray. Now, if you're going to use the spray, this look like, hold on, what she put, what the hell? Oh, so that right there, these three products are all used for texture, absorption, like the wave. And now, what she's doing here is using this product called Pro Conceal. Ladies, y'all have a really unique way of concealing the parts of you that you don't want us fellas to see. So pretty much she looked like an apricot right there, a leprechaun, pretty much, that's just like a little leprechaun vibe, yeah. And then you have here, what they have is this is called a Anastasia. Now that's what a brother probably needs when you take off the makeup when you come from the club. It's anesthesia, because what you really look like when the face ain't beat compared to when it's beat, sometimes I don't know. Some of y'all pretty now, that's not all of y'all, but so we right now, we adding eyeshadow, but why some women eyeshadow look like that when they take off the makeup? I don't get it. But anyway, right here what we have is different color eyeshadow that you can apply. She's literally going gracefully over her beautiful eyes, and she's using the kind of brush. Now you can get that brush at your local sex shop. I know you think you can go to actually Sephora or MAC, but you got to go to the sex store. That'll be right next to the dildos and the vibrators, so you can go there and grab that. Now the eyelashes, those are top tier Sephora collection. Those are Flirt number 30. A lot of the strippers wear those eyelashes because they want their eyes to be and eyebrows to be on fleek. Beautiful. So as you can see here, she has applied her 3 layers of textures. Now this is my prerogative. Bobbi Brown. Now what is this for? You use this to get your skin tone like if you black and you want to be white, you just add Bobbi Brown. If you want to be Spanish and you're black, you just add Bobbi Brown. And it's your prerogative. You don't got to worry about it. Now this is the Bobbi Brown collection as well. You can grab this at your local Sephora store as well. Now what she's doing here now, she reminds me of Catwoman, I guess. She look like, yeah, well, no, Queen of Sheba. Yeah, she's preparing. Look like she's preparing to hit that football field. You see those shoulders? That girl got linebacker shoulders, boy. Like she got on shoulder pads. She's getting ready to apply the skin tone to her face, and that's my linebacker, by the way. And so now she has another product from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Again, you most likely, I don't know because I'm a guy, you can get it from your local makeup store, Sephora, or whatever You know, maybe even a beauty supply store. But you can't really, I don't know, you can't really go to the beauty supply store because some of their stuff, like, I don't know, you put it on and it don't work properly. Your lips swell up, your eyelash they be having the wrong size eyelashes. But anyway, guys, now this utensil that she's using, that's actually a cell phone in her hand. She was texting me while she was doing her face. Now this is Sacha Buttercup. This goes on after the tone, the skin toner. She uses that. Now, if I told y'all, she was getting ready. YMCA, no filter. So as you can see now, she has literally done 50 Shades of Grey on her face. She's officially 50 Shades of Grey. And it came out pretty good. Now the liquid glove, again, this is another product, guys, from Anastasia. Shout out to Alex and Ani, because she dripping in Alex and Ani. This just makes it pop, you know, like Mardi Gras, you know, like if it just turned up, like, you know, it's just like when guys see it, it just look like, you know, like her eye, like her cheek is just, you know, like sitting up off of her face, you know. And now this is her lip gloss, and it is really, really good. You use this lip gloss right here for, you know, your lips. My wife got really, really big lips. She has really, oh Lord, I can't really tell y'all what that look like, because this is rated PG. But very, very beautiful. And there you have it, ladies. Your whole face full glam by the knee, makeup beat on fleek. Holla at her, because girl, she is lit. And fellas, if you want to get your face done, holla at her too, because she is lit. But she married, so you see that ring on her finger? Bye-bye. Peace.